National integration is the bond and togetherness between people regardless of their caste, creed, religion, or gender. It is the feeling of oneness, brotherhood, and social unity under communities and society in a country. It is the notion of combining all the nation's groups to make them stand as a single unit. To promote a feeling of national harmony, cooperation, and brotherhood among citizens by binding people belonging to various communities, irrespective of their caste, religion, status, ethnicity, etc., together without any discrimination. It is also necessary for the progress of a nation and to nullify the unrest between various sects of the society, discourage anti-social elements and terrorist organizations operating in the country. To project a stronger and better image of the country across the globe, scratch separatists demanding independent states from the Indian Union. India is a diverse nation with people having different religions, languages, castes, and races. India has people from various religious communities like Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Buddhists, Jains, and Parsis. People in India follow different religions and speak different languages with around 22 recognized and many unrecognized. In such a nation with vast diversity, national integration can only be achieved when all the communities live peacefully, appreciating their communities, love people of various communities, respect all the cultures, beliefs, practices, and traditions existing in the Indian society. For a country, national integration plays a key role and is the most critical agenda for maintaining peace among all the citizens. It brings all the people closer despite their different backgrounds and beliefs and promotes peace and harmony, ensuring national integration. It is a greater necessity for the nation's government for assuring a safer and secure environment for its citizens. India has a rich history as it has been ruled by many great empires like Guptas, Mauryans, Mughals, Khiljis, etc. But the sense of unity or national integration as seen in contemporary era started during the British rule. During those times, India was divided into numerous kingdoms and princely states. It came out under the influence of familiar territory, history, and a continuous fight for the freedom from British rule. People started fighting against the terrible divide and rule policy in India to hold their power in the nation and their atrocities against Indians and their policies which destroyed the overall economic independence of the nation. From all the independence struggles, starting from the epic Sepoy Mutiny in 1857 to the independence of India in 1947, the unity and integration was clearly evident. When it comes to the independence struggle, people from various religions, castes, demographies, cultures, and communities came together as a single unit. Freedom fighters like Gandhiji transformed the unity to fight against the foreign rule and finally British Raj surrendered to their need. It also led to the conflicts like formation of Pakistan and further conflicts like the India-Pak and India-China that threatens India's integrity even today. Even though it is a popular notion that India is a diverse nation with unity among the citizens of different backgrounds, but this is not entirely true. Even after all the attempts of the Indian government for the assurance of national integration, there are still some sectors where it is lagging. Various terrorist, ethnic, religious, and political struggles pose a threat to our country's national integrity. Let us take a look on that. The Kashmir insurgency. The insurgency in Jammu and Kashmir is separatist terrorist movement against Indian administration and the Indian armed forces demanding separation from India. Khalistan crisis. The Khalistan movement is a Sikh separatist movement seeking to create a homeland for Sikhs by establishing a sovereign state called Khalistan in the Punjab region. It was ended by Indian Army Operation Blue Star, militancy and armed rebellion by ethnic groups demanding separate states have been common in the eastern India. These are common in states like Manipur, Assam, and Nagaland. The Mausoleum and Red Corridor of India has also been a cause of concern. The various religious fundamentalist and extremist groups have given rise to numerous conflicts, riots, and terror attacks across the country. The Indian Armed Forces, paramilitary, state police force, and all the security agencies work hard to preserve nation's unity by eradicating all these evils. In India, since 2013, 19th November is being celebrated as National Integration Day, and furthermore, the entire week from 19th November to 25th November is celebrated as National Integration Week. Youth is the backbone, hope of the future, potent tool of national integration, and reckonable force to shape the destiny of the nation. Let's unite irrespective of our differences to transform our country to a heaven. Thank you.